what is a keto diet? So keto diet is a fad now. Everybody's on keto diet. A good clean keto diet is actually very healthy. It's high in good fat, moderate in protein, and very low in carbohydrates. And the idea is you bring the body to the ketosis level where there's no carbohydrates around to be used as an energy source. So the body taps into the fat content, and that's how you start losing weight, because the fat is going to be digested and to be used as a source of energy. However, the problem with a lot of keto food out there, they use a lot of alcohol sugar because they don't want to use natural sugar, or they don't want to use any processed sugar. They use alcohol sugar, which is, first of all, highly processed. Second of all, your body doesn't have an enzyme to digest it. So you get upset stomach if you eat a lot of keto type of snacks that have alcohol sugar in them, or you get diarrhea. And your microbiome do not recognize those alcohol sugar either, so they don't know what to do with them. They cannot help you digest them. A good fat would be tallow, ghee, butter, olive oil. Olive oil is high in omega-9, and it's a great source of fat for the brain. So good fat is very important for thinking sharp, being focused, for your brain and for your nervous system especially. Good fat is important for hormone production, especially female and male hormone. So you want to add good fat in your diet. Avocado is wonderful. You want to avoid all the processed sugars, all of them, including alcohol sugar. Little bit of berries is okay, but bananas, apples, those are really high sugar content fruits, and you want to avoid them. If you are going to have meat, I would go grass-fed. Grass-fed meat has high amount of omega-3s, again, very important for brain development. I would avoid any vegetable oil because they're very high in omega-6s. Omega-6 is an inflammatory fat, and you want to avoid that. There should be a balance between omega-3s and omega-6s, so you need some omega-6. However, because we are overusing these vegetable oils and the way that it's produced, the end result is in rancid oil, and because it smells bad, they have to deodorize it, they have to perfume it. So it has a lot of toxic addition to it. So I would completely avoid those vegetable oils like canola oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, all of those. Most of them are GMO as well. You want to be in a keto state at least for 14 days or longer to see the results. But as you stay on it longer, as you're staying in that ketosis level, your weight loss is going to get faster and faster.